Hello everyone, welcome back to Military Channel. The M777 is a 155mm towed howitzer. While it fires big shells, it was designed as an ultralight gun by BAE Land Systems Inc., a British arms maker, in the late 1990s. The M777 replaced the M198 Howitzer when it entered service with the Marines and Army in 2005, but unlike its 15,700-pound predecessor, the M777 weighs just 4,200 kilograms, meaning troops can literally truck the cannon onto the battlefield or airlift this beast with CH-53 Super Stallions, CH-47 Chinooks, or MV-22 Ospreys. The gun quickly became popular with the United States Army and Marine Corps, and it has since been sold to a number of countries around the world, most recently India. The M777 uses a digital fire control system similar to that found on self-propelled howitzers such as the M109A6 Paladin to provide navigation, pointing, and self-location, allowing it to be put into action quickly. The Canadian M777, in conjunction with the traditional glass and iron sight slash mounts, also uses a digital fire control system called the Digital Gun Management System (DGMS). Compared to the M198, which takes 10 minutes to set up, the M777 is ready to rock in just 3 minutes, according to popular mechanics. After that, the cannon can start lobbing rounds at a sustained rate of 2 per minute or 5 a minute for 2 minutes on those rare situations where everything in the target area must be absolutely, positively destroyed overnight. To ensure that the M777 continues to give ground forces the fire support they need, the U.S. Army's Picatinny Arsenal is developing the M777 ER extended range to strike targets more than 40 miles out. The upgrades will increase the barrel length, include an autoloader, a new fire control system, and will fire a safer, more precise, and therefore deadlier round. The M777 has been used in Iraq and Afghanistan, proving particularly useful in the Afghan war, an environment where heavy armored vehicles are hampered by mountainous terrain and primitive infrastructure. The Army even plans to turn the M777 into a giant sniper rifle. According to CBS News, 4 of Canada's relatively new M777 howitzers have been sent to the Ukrainian military. 3 Canadian defense officials spoke to the news outlet on the condition of anonymity, stating that 4 of Canada's 37 howitzers that were purchased during the Afghanistan war would be deployed to Ukraine. In a media release Friday, Defense Minister Anita Anand acknowledged the shipment but did not provide details, saying only that a number of M777 howitzers were sent to Ukraine in collaboration with our American allies. The statement also stated that Canada had provided additional ammunition to Ukraine, but provided no further details. Anand also insisted that the decision would not have a negative impact on the Canadian military, as all equipment taken from Canadian inventory would be replaced.